I'm Danielle Bouchor, and I am the head researcher of this project. I'm working on quantifying and analyzing heavy metals that are in plants in a bombing site in Vieques, Puerto Rico. So my professor, Susan Witherup, actually works with a plant called Scabula plumieri, and by reading a paper and her finding this paper, we learned about the history of Vieques, Puerto Rico, and learned that it was the bombing range for about 60 years. And about in 2006, they turned it into a Superfund site and had to clean it up. And so based on that, the Navy was cleaning it up, but they weren't cleaning up everything, and so they were leaving landmines behind, they were leaving tanks behind. So even though they're trying to go back and remediate what they did, there's still metals in the soil that shouldn't be there. Like, I'm looking right now to see actually what was in the plant and if these plants are actually uptaking metals, and after my last stint in this research, I found out that they were. So let's say you grow corn and there's lead in the corn, you eat that, it's going into your body too, which you can't break down either.
Really, it was just an opportunity. Since we knew the past history of Vieques and we knew that there were some contaminants in there in the environment, we wondered whether plants, which can be biological indicators of contamination, whether the stuff that we had collected could show that in any way.
So we're very hands-on with the project. The students go down there, we collect either samples or do pollination visitation. We see what interactions these plants are having with pollinators, and then once we come back, we analyze that data. I am actually from Puerto Rico, so my main focus here is to try to help people from Puerto Rico understand that these plants are actually endangered.
The end game, I guess, is to see whether we could create a map of Vieques and plot where the bombing happened and show whether there's any higher levels of particular metals in plants that are closest to that bombing area.
And so I'm going to try to create a project to see if, because of this bombing zone, they're taking up metals and if they're affecting other organisms. So hopefully from that, I'm hoping to see if we can create a remediation project to get these metals out of the soil. And so from this research, I'm hoping that people will realize that maybe we shouldn't build a complex there and maybe replenish with like a farm or a garden. And instead of doing more industrialization, trying to replenish the soil with natural nutrients and not pollute what we have.